हेलो गाइस, मैं ओंकार आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ मेरे एक नए वीडियो में। ये वीडियो होने वाला है पार्ट 3 बर्ड्स थ्रू माय कैमरा। आइए एंजॉय करते हैं एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। थैंक यू।
Painted stork, a large wader bird and a widespread resident, founded in the wetlands in tropical Asia south of Himalayas. Breeding season commences from mid-August and continues till February. Heavy yellow beak, orange or red-headed, black breast band and white scaly marking are some of its features. 93 to 100 centimeters in length and 2 to 3.5 kgs in weight. Call of painted stork. Red whiskered bulbul, a widespread resident and a passerine bird, founded in woodlands, bushes, shrubs, and farmlands. Breeding peaks from December to May in South India and March to October in North India. May occur once or twice in a year. 20 centimeters in length and 20 grams in weight. Generally feeds on fruits, small insects. Glossy black crown and erect crest, red patch behind eye, white patch on lower ears, white abdomen are some of its features. Call of red whiskered bulbul. Long-tailed shrike, a widespread resident bird, mainly found in scrubs and open habitat perched atop bush or on wires. Breeding season is in summers in temperate ranges, weighing 52 grams in weight. Long narrow black tail, black mask forehead, rufous rump, small white patch on shoulder are some of its features. Call of long-tailed shrike. Yellow-footed green pigeon, a widespread resident bird, founded in lowland, forest edge, parks, orchards. It is a state bird of Maharashtra. Nesting time is from March to June. Brightly colored, grey shoulder straps, yellow legs, greenish yellow belly are some of its features. It is 33 centimeters in length. Following is the call of yellow-footed green pigeon. Common Ayura, a widespread resident, a passerine bird found across tropical Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Generally observed in scrubs and forest. Breeding season are from post-monsoons. 12 to 13 centimeters in length and weighs 12 to 17 grams. Underpart greenish yellow, black wings, white wing bars are some of its features. Call of common Ayura. Indian roller, a widespread resident, it occurs from West Asia to the Indian subcontinent. Often found perched on roadside trees and wires, and also in grasslands, scrub forests habitat. Breeding season from March to June, slightly earlier in southern India. 30 to 34 centimeters long and 166 to 176 grams in weight. Face and throat are pinkish, rufous brown, on nape and underparts, contrasting light and dark blue on wings and tail are some of its features. Call of Indian roller. Western spotted dove, a widespread resident in most of the northwest and North Himalayas, sighted in woodlands, scrubs, and farmlands. 28 to 32 centimeters in length. Scaled or spotted underparts with pinkish buffs, extensive black and white checkered patches on neck. Tail tips are white and wing coverage having light buff spots are some of its features. Call of spotted dove. Rose-ringed parakeet, a widespread resident, native ranges in Africa and Indian subcontinent, observed in farmlands, orchards, gardens, and other human habitat areas. In northwest India, they form pairs from September to December. They do not have life mates and often breeds with another from September to December as above mentioned months. 130 grams in weight and 40 centimeters in length. Vibrant green in color, long slender tail, bright red small bill, and pink neck are some of its features. Call of rose-ringed parakeet. Brahmini kite, a widespread resident bird founded in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia and Australia. It's a medium-sized bird from the birds of prey. Observed and seen in coast, inland, wetlands. Breeding season in South Asia from December to April. 45 to 51 centimeters in length, 320 to 670 grams in weight. Chestnut body with white head, neck, and breast are some of its features. Call of Brahmini kite. Greater flamingos, a resident and a winter migrator, founded in Africa, Middle East, South Europe, and the Indian subcontinent. Observed and seen in mudflats, shallow coastal lagoons, and the other wetlands. Breeding season once in a year and irregular. 110 to 150 centimeters tall and 2 to 4 kgs in weight. Most of the plumage is pinkish white. Wings coverage are red. Pink bill with restricted black tips. Pink legs, black primary secondary flight feathers are some of its features. Call of greater flamingos. Plain Perinia, a widespread resident and a passerine bird, founded in wet lowlands, grasslands, open woodlands, scrubs, and gardens. Breeding seasons from June to October during monsoons and March to July in South India. 13 to 14 centimeters in length and 6 to 9 grams in weight. Short rounded wings, long tail, short legs, short black bill, underparts with whitish buff are some of its features. Call of plain Perinia.
सो गाइज ये था पार्ट 3 बर्ड्स थ्रू माई कैमरा. सो ये सारे बर्ड्स थे आज तक मैंने जितने भी कैप्चर किए हैं, जितना भी आज तक मैं घूमा हूँ. सो होपफुली अभी और एक्सप्लोर करना बाकी है, अभी और बर्ड्स को कैप्चर करना बाकी है। ठीक है, सो इसी नोट पे ये वीडियो एंड करते हैं एंड मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। सो टिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग, बी हैप्पी, टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।